Minister Mkrana so who ye?
Oh, more.
Okay. Na ene me court nsem na ekotie nyina ye di achi. Second time appeal our ex-wife ekoye ye no court asabo atogu. For 2 years in your appeal no, how was the process been? This is the second time. Who say bibi to achiana?
Well, about that American family kind of 2 years means ruling me down and the 2016 ruling me down up to date. And 2 years in the first one in my Bugu and I change one in the Subi. I Bugu into the little trace of your man and the Dana to say, and that's a team come. And the job behind my Yaman.
So say it's a 7-bedroom house now East Legona or so open. Is it in your custody and or no Nihonewo?
That's what I'm saying. I'll be appealing court and give me down my homework at learn situation time no again to say. The appeal no to me, make it a appeal no. You team awesome. And for now, I'm saying that's what that's what you say. The time was no good to another. And if you see the really not going to say, and let me that's solid and necessary document make it I could tune and say,
not just say, Ufie no. Awarija ye ne ba be se emfie nwotwini no still order so tifi ho se ontu
oh yeah so the HOs no for now no that rent tifi no tifi
oh rent ufie na o
yeah so now no be any lo nti dem fi se case ni ba no na je be nti bia be ye case ni na since we have to go 8 years in. That's what have to know.
Edu baby aya enya wo se emra se nye utie mo ase emra kra ana bibisa ma wadwin
no de bring dana kuna dana bi say yes but na can have the problem me bia to date na and so when you try na when you try o ko we bibia and na wa ko say ansem ntimi so na me can have the time na ka ri na ban so if you have been a man and also do whatever law I can Brana can do this when this is I don't know the next step of the law is taking up. And the next now I can say, Madame law is just and law is the man want to keep it to me hours, change a permanent. Omaya, the chef is no more, to Yinka, the good thing into Madame was
na say the course we are rent fia only beautiful family say mo team mo ne wo ma ne wo yere foforo team na mo tua rent no say edu ba bi na ukoji fie na ubetima siu na mo no so asa tua wo rent na ma wana because e ka wo boy nyina na it say de wo dia to fie foforo
and the common no can what I say no na sometimes when we need to be some questions it will show them mama me go say you know that for this you bad in some break me ko na do that say you need me jina attitude me and I said you me mom how you make it piano and I say make ko me that thing always see me that you okay and I'm so okay thank you very much when I give the house to you. Let me feel na miko court na sebi na miso command is you know na the break you that agreement but na say medanya na to say wetin na na abutra meeting that is na ka wetie ni sebi ni bibiri ada de you to me de na ko ato na sebi amun tia bi nti nyame na me dana se but na me can the way forward me so na se me le de on the no satanic se me sabe can see me back then we see the way forward but I've already moved on like to be honest with you me am me nse me am me de and I'm saying me person and idea say no me so be afa nyama okono but I've already moved on
and there me me attest say you've moved on bra wakuma eden pa because asem na esi ni nipa 1 out of 1,000 and we are say ombetime move you on a live successful life they said me hu a abrebi a wote no na ene even emma ebi ka say edi abotre nko na wo sa to me funny and be but not to be funny and be how and I say a punishment. And this is a number of so to me and I'm assisting time because my media woman quite a brilliant and I would know yes. That means time that me and I'm saying I mean to me and to be farm happen but nyabi kitwa mituse dem ni we misu fuse dem su na senta mitune bi dem na say nyana mi da ti ati because for 21 good years me kan nyama ma free na ma spend for that since I sacrifice for that 21 years now asa nyabi kitwa but I'm gonna say I really well, I know that yes, you're taking inspiration from I think it's a nearby you from off field, on field, any after field, you know. It didn't see what Ghana had been, but yeah, the two home for. But I say, we did message about say school no, that's why you there now. Right. School is there, everything is media, and Nyama ya demana ataki media tinini ndeni mcheba nikuwa na wase nikuwa na sedu nisa kufse nyama ya diamano no because this is a coach na mamedan amedan mto ya bene na coach ni temano ama tama ni ka nze mzanza na mto nze na coach jina ni sasa ni mama tubie enkan ntino nikuwa de na mchize nyama nikuwa peke for ubia wada de bimu kwa sawa warino but nikuwa no atichaza na no stone so kwa pia no so no really ni nyama de brush kuso ase fi enkra no mo fie no mo ye sebe inspiration bound ho fefo wa wo mo gu sisi a nice boy a waba ne beautiful wife obi bia ekoso invitation onyinya kwa abrochire team sa oboy obi afro eno kra ye de am se nyankopon na ede wutu ye nyina ye fonti no koso anenya sebi akomaden sa nemom abotre so eduru ba bia etu otwa nti du ba bia na wamie wani obi kra buza se obo sa nti uni machofo bia a omudi wati a maybe na make an yes. Nigeria because at the problem I had because but Obama, as you know, I said you do crazy, do it's a big play. That means so this idea would be woman shows one maybe to me. How woman shows one maybe to me. So maybe a good move on, na make an say you need that, and I said the media, and the media. But I'm child and I'm not going to you know. On the back, you know, Senior Odate Lamte. Bra, meaning say your best akasanti, you will show well. Congratulations in so was I didn't kunim beam. Na yenimse nche sa nyama we nyina to be twakra ama wasanya wani je minimse ni je de wo mutino yeda ase ye ne obesan edi nkomo ye we show